Bro, you fools heard that.
Heat index values up to 106.
You heard that. You heard Lagrange. Does that count?
Then partly cloudy after midnight. Lows in the mid-70s. The test will be postponed. Available good weather then. South wind 5.
You on Alaska?
We alarm for are listed in a statement.
There goes Austin, San Antonio.
It was partly sunny. The temperature was 78 degrees, the dew point 70, and the relative humidity was 70%.
What the fuck is that? That might be from North Carolina. I swear to God, it's in the GSP.
Sunday, the Lagrange in the afternoon.
TS was not.
Chance of rain 50%.
That was not Lagrange.
Heat index.
That might have been GSP, brother. That did not sound like Lagrange or on Alaska. It doesn't sound like anything from Texas. It doesn't sound like anything from here, brother. And the tropo was not that crazy, so.
Point 1.
You know what, we're going to listen to the reaction video while we're at it. Until around 11:10.
Southwest winds around 10 minutes.
So I have no idea the time. Going forward.
It was rain 40%.
Got the big Alaska.
Coastal states.
Fuck ass Richmond. Fucking simulcast. What's your own fucking broadcast? Interference. 450. God fucking hell. I mean, mutation comes in. Sometime in Three Rivers.
Areas. Today, mostly sunny. A slight today. South wind storms to 15 knots.
That's
Bay 1.
station. That shit is College Station. We're gonna look for that fucking station.
From sunny to mostly sunny.
At least in case of severe weather purposes, I can go outside and get this station. Because they're pretty close to all that fucking cloud seeding in this report has going on. The fucking morning thunderstorms.
Readings up to 1.
Yeah, it's Lagrange. I'm gonna go back inside.
Coming.
I will see you in about 10 minutes.